Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. If you make one common mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on tools, parts and diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW X3 or X4, that generation that you see here from year 2010 to year 2018. If you need to find guys where the fuses and the relays for the ignition switch are located, which fuses and relays you need to check, where you can find them. There are some that are extremely hidden. We will talk about that, where you can buy cheap parts and tools, that way do not waste money and time, why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, bodywork, a little bit of everything. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. And guys, if you need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time, we're going to put links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Check it out, that way do not waste your money guys. Also, we will have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out guys. We'll have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs as well. So let's start on it now. So guys, this BMW has many hidden fuse boxes that most people do not know that they even exist. You have up to 5 or 6 different fuse boxes, and for many of you, okay, some of those are special fuse boxes, kind of like this one here. If you don't know about them guys, we'll recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on BMW X3, X4. Check it out, it can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So guys, the fuses and the relays for the ignition switch. First, we'll be working in multiple fuse boxes. Make sure to stay until the end. There are hidden fuse boxes, we'll talk about that, but what you need to do first, open the passenger door, then open your glove box, empty the glove box, because on the very back side on the right you have a cover. Press that notch down, pull that cover out, and behind it you're going to find fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let us tell you guys why it's super important to test fuses and relays. Fuses guys sometimes are really hard to know if they're burnt or not. For instance, I'm going to pull one fuse here, okay, and sometimes you cannot clearly see if they're good, they're bad, and let's say you think you have a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up having problems again, and you spend time, money, you buy parts, diagnostics, you pay for services that you don't need guys, you practically wasted your money. So all you have to do check your fuses, that way you don't waste money guys. So always test your fuses, even if you think it's good, always test it. It even happened to us guys, okay, and we work on cars all the time. Another thing, always test your relays. They're a little bit harder to test, but if you want to see guys how to test fuse relays, we will put a link in the description of the video below. But we've seen so many customers that think that they have a good fuse, they put it back in, they waste their money on parts and diagnostic that they practically guys do not need. So check out the link in the description of the video below how to test the fuse and how to test the relay as well. So here guys, we need to check multiple fuses, then we need to go to different fuse boxes and even check more things. But first, what do we need to do? We need to, and then we'll talk about the relays as well, but we need to locate fuse number 35. 35 will be that 15 amp fuse that you see right here. Very important fuse. Then you need to locate fuse number 38. 38 guys will be, okay, that's 36, 7, 8, that 40 amp fuse. Super important fuse. Next you need to find fuse number 56. 56 will be that 5 amp fuse on the very top that you need to check here. After that, what we guys need to do, open the trunk, and in the trunk you have a fuse box on the side. Pull that insulation underneath, you have a fuse box that will look like this one. Here guys, what we need to do now, we need to check a few more fuses. We're talking specifically about fuse 103. You may or may not have all of them depending, but if you have it, that will be 100, 101, that's not used, 2, 3. You may have a fuse right here. Then you need to check fuse number 131, and that fuse guys, okay, again, it really depends on which model you have. but you may have a fuse right here. Also, you may need to check fuse 132 right there. And if you don't have those, don't freak out. We'll talk which one else you need to check. We're talking about fuse number 143, so that's 142. 143, that 15 amp fuse. And next you need to check fuse number 190. So that will be the 30 amp fuse here. Also, if you come to the trunk now, okay, leave the cover, and underneath is your battery. On top of the battery right here, that's integrated fuse box. If you open it, it looks like this one. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 fuses. Check these ones as well. Very limited information on those. And after that, okay, what you're going to do, guys, you need to check under the hood on the passenger side. You have a little hidden fuse box right there by the cabin air filter that looks like this one. That one most of the times it's okay, but on the driver's side, if you remove that cover here where your brake fluid reservoir is located, you see that's the clip right there. Remove that cover and you're going to find that computer here. That's integrated power supply module that consists of many fuses. That's what it looks like. And if you open it, you have very important engine management fuses and relays that you will need to check as well. Now, those are some of the relays that you will need to check as well, but most of the times, okay, it will be controlled by the body control module and the engine computer. Always check your fuses. They're known as relay fuses as well. So guys, if you need to buy parts, tools, fuses, relays for your BMW at a good price, quick shipping, guys, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from, because you have very specific fuses, especially these little fuse boxes, guys. Those could be really hard to find. You can see like the one right here as well, guys, and we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping as well. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.